Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Yubo on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now type in Yubo. Once you're done, tap on the search bar. Select Yubo. Tap on the Install button. The installation process may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation process is over, tap on Open. And that's it. This is how you install Yubo on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.